Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that affects all of us, whether we're going in for that close-up selfie or simply having a conversation: oral hygiene. You probably already know that flossing is an essential part of keeping your teeth and gums healthy. But what if there's a simpler alternative? Today, we're reviewing the Gum Soft Picks Original, an easy-to-use, dentist-recommended tool designed to keep your smile fresh, no matter where you are. If you're tired of traditional floss or struggle to fit it between your teeth, this might just be what you need. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Let's break it down. The Gum Soft Picks Original are disposable interdental brushes, specifically designed to clean between your teeth and remove plaque, food particles, and bacteria. The bristles are soft, making them comfortable to use even for those with sensitive gums. Unlike traditional floss, these picks are designed to be gentle yet effective, and they slide effortlessly between teeth, especially in tight spaces. You get a total of 270 picks in this set, along with a handy portable carry case, so it's perfect for on-the-go convenience. Now, let's get into my experience. I've been using these picks for a few weeks now, and I have to say, they've definitely been a game changer. First, I love how easy it is to use them. If you've ever struggled with traditional floss, you'll know how tricky it can be to get into those hard-to-reach spots, especially around the back teeth. The soft picks glide right in, and the soft bristles don't cause any irritation to my gums. The case is compact and fits perfectly in my bag, so I always have one handy for after meals or when I'm out and about. However, I did notice that they're more effective for cleaning between the front teeth, where the spaces tend to be tighter. For the back teeth, I found I needed to use a bit more pressure to get into the nooks and crannies. That being said, it still performed well compared to traditional floss. It's also a lot less messy, which is a huge plus in my book. As for the pros, I really appreciate how easy these are to use. They're simple, they work, and the bristles are soft enough to prevent gum irritation. The convenience of the carry case makes it an ideal travel companion, and it's a great alternative for anyone who struggles with traditional flossing methods. On the flip side, the cons would be that they might not be as effective for people with larger gaps between their teeth or those with more complex dental work. For those individuals, a more robust interdental tool might be necessary. Additionally, if you're looking for something that provides a deep clean in those back corners, you may need to give it a bit more effort. Now let's talk about value for money. At first glance, the price may seem a little higher than regular floss, but considering the convenience, effectiveness, and portability, I think it's worth it. You're not just buying a product, you're investing in easier, quicker oral care. Plus, 270 picks means this set will last for a while, and it's easy to take with you wherever you go. In terms of alternatives, there are other dental picks on the market, but the Gum brand has always been a trusted name, and these soft picks are backed by dental professionals. If you're looking for something with a little more power, there are electric flossers, but they do come at a higher price point. For the price, these soft picks do a solid job for everyday use. When it comes to build quality, the picks themselves feel sturdy, and the plastic case keeps everything safe and hygienic. You can tell that Gum really thought about the user experience, from the compact design to the easy grip handle on each pick. I've had no issues with durability so far. Everything has held up nicely. So, would I recommend the Gum Soft Picks Original? Absolutely. Especially if you're looking for a simple, quick, and effective alternative to floss. They're particularly great for those with smaller interdental spaces, braces, or anyone who just needs a convenient tool for freshening up on the go. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you're ready to try them out, the link is in the comments or description box for your convenience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.